So last Friday, my friends and I decided to have a silent dinner because apparently mindfulness is the new black and nobody wanted to be the group that got kicked out of yoga for excessive chewing noises. We all sat around the table pretending that chewing celery was a spiritual experience, communicating only through intense eye contact and an elaborate system of eyebrow wiggles. Everything was going fine until halfway through the meal, when someone's stomach growled so loudly it sounded like a motorcycle starting up in a library. The dog, who'd been napping peacefully under the table, immediately woke up, barked at the intruder, and sprinted laps around the dining room, dragging a chair and 2 napkins with him. In the chaos, someone knocked over a glass of water and another friend tried to mime "Are you okay?" But it somehow looked more like they were auditioning for interpretive dance. Turns out, silence isn't always golden, sometimes it's just a prelude to the real Hunger Games.